Hello lovelies, so today we'll be learning how to make a DIY customized hand fan. So I have my base, carton, the carton paper in twos, you cut in twos. Then I have a name design, you can pick any name of choice. Then I have my gum, I have my scissors, I have this design to cover up my work. Then I have this felt or Warden, whichever one you know it as, to wrap up. Then I have this as the handle of the hand fan. Then I have my feathers and leftover fabrics. So follow me as we go into the tutorial proper. So here, first thing, we apply gum on the base of your fan generously. How in length it's going in, so ensure your gum is enough. The second base, attach this on it. So we then wrap up the handle of our, just you take it round. Using this leftover fabric, just like so, you turn it round to create a cover, just to encase it. So here is what we have. So we've sealed it up. Then we have our fabric coming in like so. So you attach it in a way it's going to cover up. So these are my leftover fabrics. So just place it so place it like this. You attach your gum. So here we apply the gum gently. And then put down. So here is where we want to create our design. So from here, you measure as desired. I'm measuring 2.8 inches. 2.8. So I'll demarcate that. So I'll be coming down again. Come down by 2.1. So in between here is going to be our name design. So let me just do this. So this is what we'll have. Before getting down here, we're going to be placing our fabric just across it. Also have this done. So here is what to do. So I'll dress it properly. So after the trimming at the edge is in place, you then arrange your name design as desired and then apply your glue. This is what you should have. So I'm going to be applying my gum. So I'll apply that to all. So this is the design is done. This is the back and this is the front. So at the back here also we have our design going this way, going this way, all the way down. So after this is done, we then pick our design, take it round to secure the fan, a glue on it, you take your glue, you apply your glue, you apply round on it, ensure it is all encased. So this is what we have all secured, and this is our fan. So lastly, we'll pick up our feathers. So I'm just going to fold it all up and place on my fan. I'm going to secure this with pins. So here I fixed the feather. I fixed the feather here. Then I've also placed my design to cover and seal up all edges. So this is the fan. This is the final result of our DIY customized Ashwebi fan. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.